it really does help, especially like when you got, Quinyon Mitchell, he's saying he knows players or knows coaches that have relationships with Nick Sirianni and people in the Eagles organization. That stuff really helps when you try to, like I said, figure out the mindset of these players, if we do bring them in, because I said talent's one thing, that's one aspect of a player. What's the mentality? Say you don't know something. Say you can't do something well, and you got a coach getting in your ass. Excuse my pause, but you got a coach getting on you. You know what I mean? Wanting you to do better or doing something different. Are you gonna put up a fight, or you gonna be like, you know what, coach, you right. I'm gonna just go out here, you know what I'm saying, do the best I can to the best of my ability and get this right. It's a mentality that sets people apart from being champions and being losers. You understand what I'm saying? You can either be a champion or you can be a loser in life.